Yes!
Picking up the 2020 Supra was only the beginning. We spent the next week going to local car clubs to let people experience the A90 GR Supra firsthand. Since there would only be approximately 300 released to Canada and only a fraction of that in Ontario, we wanted to do our part in sharing the car with the most hardcore enthusiasts to give them their first real look at this exciting new car. What do you guys think?
What the hell, man?
We're pretty much going around after picking up the Supra, and we've taken a few members of the Ride North meet here out for a spin, just giving people an impression of the car.
Wow. It really reminds me of a BMW on the inside. Up close, this thing's beautiful. It's even got the dual headlights and shit. Like, it's really nice. See, I was like a hater at first. I'm filming. Okay. Okay. That was insane. Oh my god, the pickup on this car. Getting into it at first I was kind of iffy, but then once you're on it, it's like, it's fast. It's a very fast car.
Does it live up to the hype?
It lives up to the hype, yeah. Yes! No, but like, you just, my stomach was in my mouth.
We're trying to find all the BMW logos underneath the hood, and we've got a little manhunt going on, a little logo hunt going on.
Like little things like that they do. That's the BMW logo. Single.
It's a Supra. Where's the?
Oh, that's nice.
Well, that's a decent size as well. That's decent.
Take off the top. I just don't want to touch it because I don't want to touch it.
Straight 6.
Touge right there.
Wait, what?
Touge. I'm just
Generally speaking, everybody is really interested in the Supra, so that gives us a lot of hope that it's going to be a good tuning platform. We know that the turbo is going to be awesome on it. This car hooks up. Like today in the wet, we were giving out rides to people, and the thing just has no problem hooking up at all. It handles very well. So the Michelin tires that were developed especially for that car are definitely doing its job. Took like no time for a crowd to form around this car. That's hilarious.
Fucking sick.
Yeah. Going to the car wash with the Supra, yeah.
Wait.
Someone's in the car wash.
Yeah.
Woo-hoo. About to head to the elevated Subies meet, which is literally just across the street, but Chris is a car wash addict, and even though the car looks probably 80% clean right now, he wants it to be 95% clean. Extra 5% comes from hand washing it, which he never does.
Right, we get that done.
Oh, here we go. The first victim of the elevated Subies meet. There he goes. So I'm here with Tanis. He just went for a ride in our 2020 Supra. What do you think?
I like the car. There might be people who come out and be skeptical that Toyota released a car with an inline-six engine from BMW, but I feel pretty sure that I like this car a lot, and this car goes sideways really well. I know it comes like sort of pre-built with some areas where you could start doing your own tuning, your own modifications, so right out of the gate, this is a really good car.
What did you think of it when it was first like just announced, and when it had like the photos up and that kind of thing?
And first announcement, like incredibly excited, and some of the information started leaking in, like BMW engine, a little bit more skeptical. Like I was sort of like a fan of like the original JDM.
Yeah.
I wanted to see it myself. I wanted to go for a ride in it.
Yeah.
And that just set everything for me. Like I'm very happy with the car.
I think you should take 6 Subis. You gotta take the organizers.
Yeah, you want to go for a ride?
I'm down.
How did that go?
That was really fun. It slides like butter.
Slides?
I don't even know.
Chris, you sliding this thing, man? You got this thing 2 days ago. What are you doing? Here with Haley from 6 Subis. She just went out for a ride in the Supra. What did you think about this?
First of all, the interior is stunning.
Yeah.
It's really weird though that they only put the red panel on the one side.
Oh yeah, they do
and
do
the
that.
black panel on the passenger side. I've never seen that.
They're really trying to highlight the driver.
Yeah, I've never seen that before, but I thought it was kind of cool. It's kind of different.
It's different for
But
sure.
The seats are like
Seats are nice.
beautiful.
Yeah.
Power is incredible. The shifting is crazy.
Fast.
The exhaust stock is unbelievable too. The handling is fantastic. When he was sliding,
Yeah.
it was like butter.
Got room for one more? Yeah. All right, come on in. Originally, he had requested a ride because he's a big fan of this car.
Love it.
And now that he's in it, are you still a fan? That's the main question.
Love it.
Yeah?
This is like...
Anything you
right.
don't like about the car?
Nah.
No.
There's nothing I don't like. That car is actually amazing.
We just made a little bit of a late arrival, and we're here at Krispy Kreme now, which is, I think, a phantom car meet, but there may be other groups and affiliates here. I parked off a little bit to the side here just because it was already quite busy when we got here. I was just at Krispy Kreme over there trying to get myself a coffee, and there's a lineup out the door. What do you guys think?
It looks great.
Pretty good?
Yeah.
No haters here?
I think it gets way too much hate.
Yeah, like in person, it's
It's nicer in person.
I got a Toyota myself, so I can't complain.
Awesome.
Was it like at your expectations?
It was more.
More?
Yeah.
Okay,
I had to
interesting.
kick out a few times too, so it was nice.
It's just so much fun.
Oh, that's why.
It's like,
He's falling in love slowly.
so good.
The M4 will be traded in no time. There you go, there you go. Just like that, guys, the parking lot pretty well just cleared out completely. A lot of people came in, checked out our Supra, and we're just about to wrap up here at Krispy Kreme, and then we're on to the next meet. So check out our social media pages, and you'll be able to see where we go next with our Supra, and also the various other cars that we may bring.